Follow me? Okay. La cámara. Ya porque es una cosa pues yo creo que tengo que ir por allá.
We work with a live animal, need to be patient and work on their schedule. So that's why I'm just very thankful. Slow, being nice to the alligator. Now we have these bolts, these little square plates. This is hard and this is soft. This is hard, this is soft. This is hard, this is soft. See the difference? Now, alligators are more dangerous in the water, especially when the water is up to your waist. When it's shallow water below the knee like this, it is actually not too bad for me to run around and run away from them. But when the water is up to your waist, you're moving very, very slowly, and the alligators move extremely well in only 3 feet of water. Hey guys, big round of applause for Beast the alligator for making it all up to the for you guys. Okay. Now, if you notice, he's curling his tail to do what with it? He wants to hit me. It's okay. I've been hit by quite a few things in my life. My eyes aren't crossed yet. Now, Beast has attacked me a few times, so when he does, he usually just comes at me face forward with his mouth wide open trying to grab my leg. Alligators usually aim for the legs or the ankles because that's immediately going to disable you. Well, you can grab the rest of you. Now, I want you to look at the teeth. There's teeth inside the alligator's mouth, and they're always pretty and white. Those teeth will fall out and grow back in a couple of days. Now, this is why. The alligator bites really hard. I'm going to drop this little rock in there. It's pretty smooth. Not going to hurt him at all. But he bites down. Okay? As soon as he feels anything inside the mouth. So the mouth is sensitive. You touch the inside and it closes, you touch the outside and it opens. But the teeth are not sensitive at all. Okay? That's going to come in handy later. Now, I'm going to hold his mouth shut and somebody's going to come in here and tie his mouth while I hold it. Who would like to look at it? Anybody? Okay, so since nobody raised their hand, I'm going to show you how someone can do this by themselves. This is how one man would feed his family. Once a week, he would go jump on an alligator and tie up the mouth with this technique. Thank you so much. So alligators stand up like that when they're ready to. Oh, gotta be careful. Now we're gonna do one more trick. I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna put my chin on his teeth, and hopefully he sits still, so we can get the picture. Okay. So get your cameras out, or just open your eyes and watch me in person. If you guys enjoyed my shows, my cool tricks and crappy jokes, well, on the way out, please feel free to show your appreciation. Guys, give him a big round of applause. Thank you so much for looking up with me and enjoying it. Now, I would love to let you guys come in here and play with these for a little while, but instead what we're going to do is let you hold some baby gators. So when you guys hold the alligator, you need to remember, especially if you have kids with you, that the alligators wiggle around, just like a little kid. So when you want to come up here, you guys are going to pass around the alligator and grab it by the tail, because...
My name is Tyler. If you guys have any questions, you can interrupt my demonstration at any time and ask me a question. No matter how silly or ridiculous you think your question might be, it's not. Believe me. I get people that ask me if the gators are dead, for God's sake. So no matter what you say, it's not going to be dumber than them. Now, I'm going to go ahead. How much would it take across the there is no amount of money or bribe on heaven or earth that would make me swim across that pond. I would rather be shot than have to swim across that pond. Oh yeah. How many crops are in there? These are all gators, and there's about 300 of them in there. You have questions? Yeah. Not a lot of food in here. How are we going to feed them all? Well, we're going to go in together. We're going to find out. No. He seems...